I wanted to create a piece of art for art's sake at scale. The reason that I wanted to do that was because our factory had moved from one part of our building to another part of our building, and it left a gaping hole, not just physically in the building, but also from a sort of an energy perspective. It felt very differently than it did before when the factory was there and the energy of the factory was there. So yeah, that was the particular reason that we wanted to do it. We knew of Cunningham's from before. You know, we had contracted Cunningham's on a number of occasions for other industrial applications. So we were already aware that Cunningham's were very specialist, very professional. We had a very good sense of the fact that we could do exactly what we needed. It was a seamless project. Well, on a personal level, I do take pleasure when I look at it every single time I walk past it. I'm proud of it. It's a nice representation of our brands, but more specifically, you know, I was thinking through the eyes of a customer coming to visit us, how kind of interesting that I think it would look if I was them. So really, it's about that. It's about the customer experience when they're coming here for the first time, and you know, it's their first walk through the building and the impression that it makes. That's really what it's all about.